All right, so we're going to do a few last two edges examples on this demo cube, but I'm going to show you a few little tricks. So instead of just splitting the cube like this, we're only going to split a slice. Okay, so again, I'm just going to split this slice, flip that edge pair, and then return this slice. So it solved the last two, but watch what happens when I resolve the top here. I'm going to flip this pair. We end up with a parity. So 4x4 parity. With everything we've learned already, we're actually going to solve this parity. And I'm going to do a video on how to solve this parity intuitively with no algorithms. So let me just return this the way it was. Flip that. Move this back. Split. Unsplit. And we're back to where we started. So you can do a lot of cool stuff if you understand edge flipping, relative position, and what I call doing and undoing. Doing a sequencer algorithm forward and reverse. And just one more time, let's flip that, move this, flip it, bam. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, so we're going to learn parity. We're going to learn a lot of stuff in some upcoming videos. We may even go over the mathematics of parity.